Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for account management. The accounts page lets you see the details of your SupraScoop subscription, and it also helps you link your Twitter account to your SupraScoop account. I'm going to show you how to do that right now, so without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. The account page simply shows you the information of your SupraScoop account. You can edit the account name if you want to. However, this is a function only reserved for the account administrator. And you can see what social account is linked here. Please note that this account has to be linked before you have access to the campaigns. As you can see, mine is here. And now you will see what the price is of your account, how many users you're allowed to have, the account modules you have enabled for campaigns, and all the statistics surrounding those campaigns. And you can also see which analytics you will get on the statistics sections of the campaign, such as intent, brand watch, and hashtag track. And that's really the simplistic version of the account page. There's nothing more to it. It's just a page to see your account details and to link your social media account for Twitter. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.